Welcome! In today's video, we're going to discuss how to allow video calls from everyone on X, formerly known as Twitter. This feature can enhance your connectivity and make it easier to interact with a broader audience. Let's jump into the steps you need to follow to enable this setting. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is your starting point for adjusting your settings. Next, tap your profile icon. You'll find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to your account settings. Once you're in, tap on Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the options for customizing your account. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. This area is where you can manage your privacy settings and who can interact with you on the platform. Next, look for Direct Messages. This is the section that controls how users can reach you directly. Finally, under Allow Audio and Video Calls, select Everyone. By enabling this option, you're allowing all users on the platform to initiate video calls with you. By following these steps, you can easily open up your video call options to everyone on X, making it easier to connect and communicate with a larger audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.